welcome to Lone Care Ministry. I am excited again that you have decided to join me again today. First of all, I am so sorry for the delay because I've been so busy with the holidays and all. I know you guys had probably a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys gave, of course, thanks for all that God has done for you. And this year, your family, your friends, had a great time with family for Thanksgiving. Loved going down to my hometown, spending time with my mom, my dad, and just getting a chance to see them and spending time with them. So I hope that you all had a great time. You didn't eat too much turkey, did you? Didn't eat too much cranberry sauce or dressing or yams, whatever you have for Thanksgiving dinner. I'd love to hear what you guys usually do for Thanksgiving. So but now we are focusing on Christmas coming up, right? So with that said, I know that you guys are taking care of your hair, because for those who are visiting my channel for the first time, this is Lone Care Ministry. Here we talk about hair, God, and the Bible. And girl, I care about your hair. I care about your soul. I care about your mental health, your mind, all of that. And I know as women, we do a lot. But we love our hair, right? We're always changing our hair. We change our color. We're wigs and weaves and extensions and braids and all of that. All that is fine. But just make sure that you're taking care of you, that you're taking care of your hair, right? God wants you to take care of you because you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. And that's one of my favorite scriptures, because we are, and we're all so unique. We're all beautiful. It doesn't matter what you look like, girl. I don't care what skin color you are or what your hair texture is. You are still beautiful. And don't let nobody tell you that you're not, because you are beautiful, because you were created by God. And God created us all unique and beautiful and special because we serve a creative God, right? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Well, I want to start off with that. So thanks again for joining. So today we're going to be talking about, of course, protecting your hair while you're trying to grow your hair. You don't want your hair to break off, right? And so what's happening, people are doing things to their hair to get a certain look. But while they're doing this, it's breaking off. You're not taking care of your hair. You're not taking care of your hair under the wig. You're not taking care of your hair under the extensions or the weaves or the braids or the locks or whatever you're doing. But I want you to take care of your hair because, number one, first of all, you all know your hair is growing, right? I think that you're watching this channel because you want long hair. You're ready to get your own natural hair growing, flowing, long and beautiful. You've seen all these women with all this long, beautiful hair. Well, it took patience. It took consistency. It took time. It took commitment and dedication, I'm sure, to get to that length. And so it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take some time, and wisdom too, by the way. And I think that's why a lot of you are watching these YouTubes. You're surfing, trying to figure out what can I do about my hair. Your hair is beautiful. I don't care if it's thin, if it's thick, if it's kinky, if it's fine, straight, if it's curly, wavy, whatever your hair is, it's beautiful. But it's been through some things, right? My hair has been through some things. I've learned so much over the years on hair care and so much. So that's why I created this channel, to just give you tips and tricks and things that I know, because I really do authentically care about your hair. Because a lot of times you just don't know. The Bible says that people are destroyed because of lack of wisdom. So because you don't know what to do, this is why all these things are happening. You've got to know what to do with all this hair that God's giving you, right? God knows the number of hairs on your head. And so you're like, okay, Lord, how do I take care of this straight hair? How do I take care of this curly hair? How do I take care of this kinky hair, this thick, coarse, nappy, beaded hair, whatever? How do I do this? Well, this is why we have this channel, to help you get there. And so what I want to talk about today is, first of all, have you been taking care of your hair since we started this channel? Have you been taking advantage of the steps that was given? And that's one of the things, you have to take action. You can gain all this knowledge, but if you're not doing anything about it, I'm going to do it, and you get tired and everything else is more important, then, well, you're in the same boat you were in before you even started. Right? So you got to do something different to get something different. All right. So that different thing is to pay close attention to your hair growth. Hair is constantly growing. As I often said, hair grows a half an inch a month. You can get an inch a month, which is our goal here in this channel, is for you to get 1 inch per month. And yes, it can happen. And yes, people do grow hair fast. And there are products, there are different things that you can do. There's consistency, there's massaging the scalp, there's deconditioning, there's certain types of growth oils, all of these things. There's blood flow to the scalp. There's, oh my gosh, I provided so much information in my other videos. Take a look at what I provided before. Surf the internet, surf the YouTube channels, whoever you want to find the information, but there's all kind of things you can do to grow your hair at a faster rate. However, you grow your hair at a faster rate, you got to protect your hair from breaking off. And that's what I've often said. You can grow your hair. It doesn't matter what age you are or how old you are. I've seen older ladies got long, thick, beautiful hair because your hair is alive. There's life. There's blood going to the scalp, to that hair follicle, and the little white little ball there, it's going there because your hair is constantly growing, right? Problem is that your hair is breaking off. You're not even getting your ends trimmed or those split ends cut. So your hair is breaking up the shaft. You're not protecting your hair at night. You're not tucking those ends under. You're damaging your hair, your edges with wigs all around your hair. So you have thin, very thin edges. You're braiding your hair tight. You're going to the beautician. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get my hair cornrowed and get it braided and protected. But yet it's so tight that it's causing pressure on your scalp, so that the hair ends up coming out. When you take your hair off, it's like, well, what in the world? Or your wig off, or weave, like, what? Why is this balding? Why is it thin? Too much pressure on it. Too much pressure on it. So that's why I said it's so important, as you identify what protective style works for you, make sure that you are protecting your hair underneath it. Whether you have a wig or a weave or braids. Wigs, you got to make sure you put your satin cap around it. You got to make sure your hair is braided. So when you put the wig on, it's not matting down over your edges, all right? If you're doing a weave, you got to make sure that your hair is protected with a net or a mesh net or something like that. You got your weave in there sewed up. You have your oil in your scalp, massaging your scalp. You're cleaning your scalp. You're washing and all that debris stuff off of your scalp. You're stripping all your scalp from all that stuff. Wearing the wigs because sometimes you don't feel like doing your hair. I get it. That's why you wear wigs and weaves. Women today, girl, we busy. We got husbands, we got jobs. Well, you don't have a husband, you're single, you still got a lot to do. We're multitasking. God created us to be helpers. We like to help. And most of us do really good things to help. All right. We do good things to impact our families, our community, our friends. We're always helping to do things, so we're busy, which means we don't have time. And did I say entrepreneurs? You all got businesses. Some of you multiple businesses. You got kids, you're in college, you're in school, you got all these things going on. But I want you to take care of your hair. It's very important that you take the time out. And it can be just an hour, one day a week or something, where you're taking care of your hair, you're moisturizing. You already know all about moisturizing. You already know about protecting your ends and all those things. Do all those things on a consistent basis, and you will get the length. I guarantee you. You will get it. Now, you see girls with the hair just like yours is way down the back. You know why? Because they've taken time out. They're consistent. You don't just talk a good game. They are actually following through with what they said they were going to do, and they're sticking to it. They're also finding what works for them. They're finding the products that work for them. They're doing the steps. I provided a lot of videos, and that was that just to provide a video? No, these things actually work. I've done the research. These things work. You've got to take advantage of the knowledge that you're getting and put it to work so that your hair can grow. So by the end of 2026, now we're in December, right? But by the end of 2026, or even the middle, maybe by the summer of 2026, you'll have 6 to almost 12 inches of new growth because you've been protecting the ends from breaking, whether you're wearing a wig, a weave, or wear your own hair out, but you're just protecting it. You're very conscious of your hair. You're putting it up. You got a lot of protective styles, but you're protecting your hair from breaking. I can't guarantee you that you will reach the length. Just dedicate some time, carve out some time to do that. And girl, guess what else? You can pray that your hair grows. Okay? God cares and God knows. People don't pray enough. People don't, I'm not Christian or whatever. I'm telling you y'all. I don't even know how to tell you this. But God is real. It's not just about going to church. It's not about just the Bible. God is real and He cares about you, even your hair. He even said in His word that He knows the number of hair on your head. He also talked about a woman's hair is her glory, is her crown. How do us girls act about our hair when we're feeling good? Our hair is doing all good and it's looking good. We got a nice gown on. We got things, our hair is slamming. We feel good about our hair, right? It makes us look good, and that's okay. Whether it's blonde hair, whether it's straight hair, curly, red hair, black hair, it doesn't matter. Us girls are always changing our hair. And not just our hair, but our clothes, our makeup, our nails, all those things that us girls do. But I want you to take care of yourself. I want you to pray to God to give you long hair. If you want to pray, I've read and seen different videos where people are praying to God for long hair. Yes. So then God gives you people like me who loves Jesus to tips on how to grow your hair and the product that you can use and what to do, giving you wisdom and strategies to be able to grow the hair that you want. You can do it over a period of time, but there's patience and there's consistency. So all right, so take this in. I hope this has been helpful for you. I just want to make sure that you understand the importance of taking care of your hair underneath your wig or wigs or weaves or braids or even where your hair out. And the main purpose of this particular video is for you to take care of your hair. Be consistent. Be patient. You don't want, to continue to have a certain look, but then your hair is being neglected. So that's the main thing that I want you to get from this video is to make sure that you're taking care of your hair on a consistent basis. If it needs to be moisturized, moisturize it. If it needs to be clean your scalp. If it needs to be pre-pulled before you wash it, detangled, ends cut, ends trimmed, tucked under, whatever, take care of it. Baby your hair, girl, because you need to, all right? All right. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to Long Hair Care Ministry. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. And then just, of course, share the channel with other people that you think might benefit. Maybe your mama, maybe your grandmother, maybe your sister, who's been struggling and it's all that help is their hair. This channel is for people who love taking care of their hair, those who love the Lord, want to know more about God and Bible and so forth. You just want to do right. You want that hair that you want. This channel is for you. So make sure that you like and subscribe, and then don't forget to click the notification bell. Ding. I would love to do that so that you would never ever miss a video. And again, I usually post videos every 2 weeks or so. Just depends. I can't really know because my schedule is always so crazy, but I will continue to post because I really authentically care about your hair. And you would get the truth here. You would get research here. Let me know what you want, okay? And I'll be able to research it for you. Make sure that you comment below as well so I can hear about your hair stories and your hair journey and what you're doing. Maybe you have some tips that I don't have. Tell me what we can do so we can all help a sister out. We got to help each other out, okay? Don't hold nothing back. Let's help each other. And that's what it's all about, is helping each other and loving each other, which is what God wants us to do. So if you have, if someone has hurt you, forgive that person, all right? It's better to forgive, all right? Forgive that person, okay? Because it makes you feel better, all right? Because they go about their business while you sitting there like, oh, well, this plotting and scheming and vengeance and all that. Don't do that. Just love that person. Forgive them for hurting you and pray about it and just put it in the hands of the Lord. And lastly, if you do not know Jesus, I would encourage you to give your life to Jesus Christ today because He is the way, He is the truth, and He is the life. I'm telling you, y'all, He's real. This isn't like He's not a joke. Jesus Christ is real. You know why? I know this because I walk with Him every day. I talk to Him. He's changed my life. He's doing so much in my life. I can't even tell it all. And so I am grateful and I'm thankful and I am blessed because I am a child of the King. And I am here to help you and to minister to you at Long Hair Care Ministry. So make sure that you subscribe and like our channel and click that bell. So that you would not miss another video. All right. Well, once again, thank you so much for tuning in to Long Hair Care Ministry, and may God bless you real good. Bye.